I can never be politically correct because I'm too lazy to be that, firstly. And then you put me next to my parents where I actually don't feel like being political. I'm not politically correct at home as well.
For such people who are used to watching such trivial like 3-minute wala content on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube,
Facebook,
हाँ तुम लोगों की है नहीं focus span 3 मिनट से ज़्यादा तो मैं क्या बोलूँ तुम्हारे लिए पिक्चरें बनी ही नहीं है. I've been trolled after I posted a few things, but then it was my social media handle, my choice. If you don't like it, don't follow me.
I'm sure that you've read and I'm sure that you've heard, there are a lot of parallels that are drawn between yourself and Kangana Ranaut. Both very good actors, both outsiders, both not afraid to speak their mind. A lot of people, however, feel that that personality has resulted in Kangana becoming isolated from the industry. Do you see her as a kindred spirit or do you see her as a cautionary tale?
Very tough question, actually. Honestly, I don't really know her personally at all. I've just barely interacted with her only once during Pink screening, I must say. As I said in the beginning, I'm sorry I have curly hair.
Correct.
Like, what do I do about it? That's how I'm born with. And I can't apologize for being a decent actor. I can't say sorry for that. So yes, these characters...
But I think it's also the fact that you all speak your mind in an industry where it's not often rewarded.
Yeah, agreed. You know, you speak our mind. But for me, I think I still feel that people should see the difference. There is a lot of difference. I cannot again put in words. It's for people to sit and observe and understand why we both are different. And she's gone through like loads of different types of experiences in life. I haven't gone through all those experiences. I'm hats off to her to survive all that, to be wherever she is. I have had relatively easier life then, if I compare. So I have not slept on the footpath. I haven't had kind of a weird interactions with my colleagues or weird situations to go through. No, I didn't have all that. So I don't have all those experiences she has. So that's why my path is unique in its own way. But yes, we end up choosing similar roles because those strong spine female characters resonate with our real life personality, and I don't think there is anything wrong in that.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure we are all used to boxing people in slots. And thanks to my curly hair, I just get easily boxed. But I think as far as you consider both of us good actors, I don't mind getting compared. But I don't think I'm that extreme in my opinion most of the times. That's what I feel. And whatever I've seen a little bit of her interviews, I think she's pretty extreme with whatever she likes. It's there. I'm not that extreme, I feel. That's what little difference that I feel.
Okay.
I can never be politically correct because I'm too lazy to be that, firstly. And then you put me next to my parents where I actually don't feel like being political. I'm not politically correct at home as well. I think it is comfort zone for me, but I'm more conscious about both of them because they...
मेरी पोल ना खोल दे.
इसलिए नहीं, not because of that, because they talk very less compared to me. I think I compensate for the entire family. All three of them, including my sister on one side and me on the other. So I'm just worried they'll speak. Yeah, I talk a lot. I'm not, maybe I'm not that Bollywood social.
Okay.
I'm a very extrovert person, at least I would want to believe. But I'm a little awkward socially in film gatherings because I get a little scared that people should not interpret it as me trying to get work out of them. Because
having an agenda.
Yeah, so agenda-driven socializing is what I fear, and I don't want to fall in that trap, and I don't want people to perceive me doing that. Is why I get a little, stay a little away from it. So I think that's why I'm not that socially active in Bollywood. But people I work with, now that Shah Rukh is my producer, so I can sit and chat with him like very cool. Watch the Manmarziyan trailer. Music is going to be good. Going to be good. Otherwise, it is just meh. हम दोनों के लिए. Overacting by Taapsee and Kaushal, तो ट्रेलर में ही नहीं बर्दाश्त हो रही.
भाई मेरे को इतना बोल दिया ना, ये कितना अंडर एक्टिंग करता है, सटल करता है. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ भाई. ओवर एक्टिंग किसी ने बोली है.
ये फर्स्ट टाइम.
बहुत मेहनत की है ओवर एक्टिंग करने में.
ये मेरे को साउथ में कुछ कभी मिलता था ऐसे कॉमेंट. ये पहली बार मुझे यहाँ मिला. This is refreshing.
at any point have filmmakers or co-stars found the fact that you ask questions or that you need to be convinced, has that been kind of an irritant to people?
There's been one incident, but that film only didn't happen eventually. Not for me, it generally didn't happen. There was a narration that happened with the director, and after finishing the narration, I just had a few questions about my character, that why would she do something like this or that and all that. He got so defensive about, I'm not going to make any changes to the script. I have worked 8 years on this. I said, sir, I didn't ask you to make changes. I just asked you what was your thought process behind making her do this or that, or or
You're an actor, you're not a robot. You're expected to ask questions.
He just got so defensive that I almost got like a little scared that, okay, am I intruding too much into his script or what? And we finished that meeting in like good 10 minutes, and I came out and I told my manager, I was like, please tell him if he wants to work with me, I would love to work with him, but he'll have to answer my questions.
Correct.
I have this problem. He'll have to live with it if
I'll
he
have to
wants
call it a problem.
I don't know, but the way he reacted to me, I was like, as if I've done something really wrong. And that was the only experience that I felt like
And then that film didn't work out eventually.
That film didn't work out for
Just
anyone.
as well.
Yeah. I don't know if it will be in the future. Let's see.
I think it's for all of us.
हाँ,
I think it's
anyone
for
can,
Anurag.
कोई
It's
भी.
actually for Anurag. बहुत लंबा ट्रेलर बना दिया, ऐसा लग रहा है पूरी मूवी देख ली हो. For such people who are used to watching such trivial like 3 minute वाला content on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube,
Facebook, yeah.
हाँ, तुम लोगों की है नहीं फोकस स्पैन 3 मिनट से ज्यादा, तो मैं क्या बोलूँ, तुम्हारे लिए पिक्चरें बनी ही नहीं है.
So many beautiful girls out there who are so perfect looking, and they all look similar because they are just so perfect. So I realized one of my biggest strengths is probably the fact that I'm not perfect looking, and that probably sets me apart and gives me a unique image.
Makes you unique, yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So I think I would rather play on that, because otherwise I will just become one amongst so many others who look so perfect. And anyway, the kind of films I do, the kind of image I have, I don't need to look perfect, because a regular and average Indian girl relates to me because I'm not perfect looking, and that has become my biggest strength. So I think that's my biggest weapon. Why will I get rid of my imperfections?
I've been trolled after I posted a few things, but then it was my social media handle, my choice. If you don't like it, don't follow me. That's your choice.
Wow, is that the line that you stick by?
That's the line I just created, but that's what I go by. If you don't like what I say or what I post, kindly unfollow.
And you never do this, that you post something, people troll on you, and then you just take it back?
No, I don't.
You've never
Right
done
or
that.
wrong, it's my decision and statement. I stand by it. I'll say, okay, fine, I made a mistake, or I might not resonate with the masses, but that's my decision. I can't just be a part of a herd to be safe.
And usually when you go out and you meet people, so obviously men will be men, so they'll try to hit on you. If some men walk up to me and they just don't want to do the effort of thinking and coming up with a better line, they walk up to me knowing who I am, and then they say, have I seen you somewhere? And I'm like, yeah, of course. I mean, do you ask this question?
किसको अच्छा लगता है सवाल?
Yeah. I mean, what do I answer? Do I be modest and say, no, where, I'm not sure where would I? Or like, of course, dude, you would have seen me on that big bloody screen someday or the other. Like, what kind of a pickup line is that for a movie actor?
I hope